Here's POLY.AI app, quite popular app. Number one AI character chatbot, over 10 million characters here. Our app revolutionizes the way we interact with AI chatbots. With our advanced technology, our chatbots sing and reply like real characters. Explore countless characters, your conversations, your way, bring your imagination to life, discover shared passions, discover interest in sim activities. Then yeah, you can just open it up and here is the app, here's how it looks like. You can just go and chat, just chat with these bots and then just tap plus. You can just, seems you need to get coins and then you can restart, delete chat. There is memory, there are events, create exclusive memory. There are some decorations, there is chat background. So a lot of features. Then you have your chats. And then, yeah, if you want, you can get some small amount of coins just by watching ads, or you can just buy coins here. Then you can just tap plus to create characters. So you just go and from here create your characters. Then you have your profile. You can just get coins for daily check-in. So at least here you can just get that. Then there are diamonds. So yeah, you can just have this diamonds balance. You can cash out your diamonds, and 10,000 diamonds is approximately $5 and you can just get that. So then there are diamonds, then there are coins. So yep, something like that. And there are messages, feedback. I don't know if you can refer friends here and earn some coins. I would really expect that, but seems it's just not happening. And then here, yeah, you just have this. And then yeah, you have messages, and then you have that. So that's basically the idea of the app. So quite easy to use app, very nice design, and a lot of users. You can create your characters. There is not too much like buttons as in Toki AI or Character AI, and it seems this app is not that glitchy. So it works fine. You have a lot of good ratings, and it says that this is one of the best anime AI apps. All right. Seems, of course, there are some issues and bugs, but overall, seems it's just working. So some people still say that CAI is better. That's another app you can try. But overall, this app is really high in the charts, so try it out.